Hi, I'm Elle Simone, and I'm going to show you the best way to crack and separate eggs. First, start with cold eggs. The yolks are less likely to break when they're cold. Crack the egg against a flat surface. This will give you the cleanest break. If the shell breaks nicely in half, you can use it to separate the yolk. Just transfer the yolk back and forth between both halves, allowing the whites to fall in a bowl. Now, if the shell didn't break nicely, you can totally use your hands, so long as they're clean. Open the egg into your palm and slowly open and close your fingers to allow the whites to fall through. Whichever method you use, make sure you use one bowl to separate the whites and then dump them into a larger bowl to accumulate. A tiny speck of yolk can prevent your whites from whipping, so you don't want to ruin the whole batch if you make a mistake. If you do get a stray yolk in your white, don't try to fish it out with a spoon. It'll never work. The yolk has water and lipoproteins that don't like metal. Instead, use the eggshell. The shell membrane is coated in the protein keratin, which is attracted to the protein in the yolks, which makes it easier for fishing. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments and hit the subscribe button below.